What up, True Fam? This is Phon-Er, Ari Gold, dropping by saying what up. This is vlog 29, I believe. Yes, it is 29. And we are heading out to Coffee Bean. And we're gonna get some bean. And some bean. We're gonna roast that bitch. And we'll see what's going on there. Not weather today. It's Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. Hope you had a great Memorial weekend at Vegas, Palm Springs, out of state, Lake Havasu, wherever you went, and just amazing. Yesterday it was super cold. I came back from Palm Springs and like from a warm to super cold. I was like, wow, not fun, not fan. It was not fun, and I wasn't a fan. So not fun and not fan. True, right? True, right? I know. So yeah, just let's see what's going on at the bean and see what's popping up there, up in that bitch, and then we'll see right now. I mean, you're coming with me, so coming with yo. It's the yo remix. You're coming with me. Stay fly, stay high. I have no idea what I'm saying. I don't even smoke. That's stupid. Alrighty then, Bruce Almighty. Oh, Mr. Chris is here, Christopher Columbus. My buddy Chris, the one that I've been telling about, the king of Coffee Bean. That's his car. It's a beast. Awesome. And let me go back. This guy wants to go. You're welcome, sir. Oh wow, I forgot it's a Memorial Day. It's gonna be like a Friday today. Guys, on Fridays, it's impossible to find a parking ever, unless you're just like literally born with luck or something. I don't know. Super impossible, you know. And so we're gonna have to park here, and here's my buddy Arthur in his cool Ford, awesome vintage muscle car. I don't want to bug him because he's on a phone call. He's always in some conversation about business stuff. Hey guys, let's go in. I'm gonna cut you off for now, and then I'll put you back on when I'm there. Cool. True. God. I'll put it on my vlog. This part. This is how VIP I am here, guys. That they even let me do my own little pouring. Perfect. You know, pretty much like that. Perfect. Okay. Such a picky person, sorry. Okay, thank you. You're awesome. Guys, let's bounce. Yummy. Hey, Chrissy. What's poppin'? Everything good? That's Chris. Hey, what up, Chris? Guys, I'll be back with you guys. Hey guys, we just left Coffee Bean. There were some guys, like some people there, my friends, that I kind of feel discomfort recording them since they're all in bands and rock bands and they don't really like to be recorded. But so I just got back. I got my awesome Americano with the almond milk, and now I'm on my way home to do some edits and upload this weekend vlog / repair to you guys, so you can enjoy and have fun. Okay. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for the True Fam. Stay true and watch me being true myself. See you soon. Peace. Phon-Er. That's a cut. Ari Gold. True Fam. Thank you guys. Happy Monday. Hey guys, this is vlog 29 still. We just got a call. It's now 11:43. We're going to repair an iPhone 6s rose gold. The customer, the woman, just came back from her vacay for the Mom's Day, and she just called us. She's like, hey, I'm gonna be landing in LA in an hour. I guess she's coming back from Vegas, and she said that if I can meet her there at 11:30, in between 11:30 and 12. I'm like, sure. And then she just called right now and confirmed that she just got home, and right now we're heading down to her house to repair her iPhone 6s rose gold. So keep in tune, and we will be with you with the repair and show you how it goes. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Thank you guys. Phon-Er. See you soon. Cut. True fam. Hey guys, we just got here on 12 hour. Let's see, getting a bag. Ready to start this. Go. We found a cool spot. Super lucky. Make sure we close our window. Mirrors, actually. Okay. It's at 12. It should be on the left. This used to be my place, a place where my friend used to live. So I know this block like super well. So we'll see if we'll be able to record the repair, so you guys can see what goes on there, how it goes down. Stay tuned. God. Okay guys, the iPhone that she had was a 6S Plus, not a 6S, but fortunately we have all the parts in our car, so walking back right now. It's almost 12 midnight. We're still grinding because Grant never sleeps. Never, ever. Oh, there it is. Cool. Almost there. There's our beast. Our drop down Prius. Black and black. Black everything. Awesome, we got the screen. I'll just drop this off after. I'm already hot. Okay guys, let's do this. Got it. Success. Plus. At the gate now. Okay, let's put it back. Really not for that. I can't offer myself.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad, I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shoot. Yeah.